This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Being careful not to touch the hot engine components, place a drain pan underneath the transaxle oil plug and remove the plug. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the fluid to drain completely, then reinstall the plug. Tighten the transaxle drain plug to 106 inch-pounds. Be sure to dispose of the transaxle fluid properly. Lower the vehicle. Carefully remove the powertrain control module from the mounting bracket if more space is needed to access the transaxle filler cap by releasing the bracket retaining clip, then sliding the module upward. Temporarily set the module aside. Remove the fluid filler cap and add approximately 4.5 quarts of the specified type of automatic transmission fluid. Reinstall the cap. Install the powertrain control module back onto the bracket, sliding it downward until it is secured. Start the engine. With the brake pedal depressed, slowly shift through each gear range, then place the shifter in park. Let the engine idle for 1 minute. Using the driver information center, display the transmission fluid temperature. If the fluid is between 180 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, proceed to the next step. If the temperature is not up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, drive the vehicle until it is. If it's above 200 degrees Fahrenheit, wait until the fluid is cooled back down and falls within the temperature range. On models without a dipstick, raise the vehicle and support it evenly on level ground with 4 jack stands. The vehicle must be level with the engine running and the transaxle in park. With the engine running, remove the fluid level check plug on the side of the transaxle, located to the rear of the left drive axle, and allow any fluid to drain out until it is level with the bottom of the check hole. If no fluid comes out, add transaxle fluid until it begins to drip out. With the fluid at the correct level, install the check plug and tighten it to 106 inch-pounds. Install the filler cap. Lower the vehicle. On models with a dipstick, remove the fluid dipstick located at the front of the transaxle. With the transaxle fluid at the proper temperature, remove the dipstick. Wipe the fluid from the dipstick with a clean rag, then reinsert it. Pull the dipstick out again and note the fluid level. It should be in the crosshatched range. If additional fluid is required, add fluid a little at a time and keep checking the level until it is correct. It's important not to overfill the transaxle. Install the dipstick and be sure to install the PCM back into its mounting bracket.